I am once again recording. However, 4 to 6 hours have passed since the last time I recorded. Before that, it was 2 months and 5 days, which is unfortunate. It should have been only 2 months. Maybe less than that, too. But, anyways, I'm, here. In front of me is a Metal Mario plush that I got from Vintage Stock. Now, why was I at Vintage Stock? It's, I was there so that I could get some fucking, I wanted to get a VCR and an accompanying CRT TV. I didn't get either, unfortunately. So instead, I got a Metal Mario thing. I got this Batman Spawn comic book and a Mickey cookie jar. And that's the story of the Vintage Stock Mario. Oh. I called them a girl. I tried not to do that. Oh. I didn't even consciously register that. I'm sorry. Okay, on to the next thing. I need to look for... Yes, I need to look for the topic. And the topic of this, Chronicle is the music, that Absidy, was making. Yes. Okay, I just typed I am recording a chronicle. I have a few. Sorry. I was talking to Absidy that I don't know if other people listen to this. And I'd rather prefer if other people don't listen to this. Much rather prefer. This whole channel was only made for one person. Actually, I made it for myself initially, but then events transpired. Next, fucking thing, yeah, I need to speak of his music. I do. Yeah. He's been making a lot of songs. In fact, there were a couple originals, and there is this one that I don't think he saved the lyrics to. In fact, he never even wrote them down because he was just thinking of them in his head. But it was the lyrics to this one song he made, and I have a feeling it may have been about me, maybe. But it just felt very, very familiar. And I think there was something about the closet that I spent so much time in. Oh well. I don't think he recorded that. He did record something else. He's recorded 2 things, which are very nice recordings. And he's recorded some other things before that, and those are really nice. I listen to those on SoundCloud a lot. I don't really use SoundCloud that much anymore, unfortunately. I'm not around listening to music much, but I like listening to his music. Sorry. There's cats. Um, Cats. Hmm. They're walking around. They're not right next to me, I just see them in my head. And I don't mean like hallucinating, I'm just thinking of them to blank out my mind. She... I'm pretty sure it was Watermelon. I think she did a re-recording of Watermelon. She already recorded it before, and it was really nice. And I like the re-recording that he made too, because it's a wonderful re-recording. I also like the production quality of them. Sometimes I think there's a little graininess to it and stuff, but it actually adds to it. I like the graininess. I used to listen to really grainy shit. In fact, it even surprises me now, seeing just how grainy it is. I listen to Below Ground a lot, and fucking hell, he is distorted. Absolutely distorted, but I was able to understand them. Absidy's records, so to say, they have nowhere near that level of distortion, but I think there was one of them that sounded a little bit distorted, and I like that. I believe that one is the cover. And along with that, he made an original. I think he's made a couple originals. I mean, as of recent, that he sent over to me. Though I don't know how many he's recorded. I think he's recorded 2 to 3 of them, maybe 4. As of recent. But yes, it's wonderful. I like the recordings. All the recordings he sends me. As well as the videos of the cat. Two. Oh yeah, I think I'm trying to find something. Maybe that's what I'm trying to do. Because I don't know what I'm trying to do. Sometimes I just consciously lose what I'm doing and I just exist. It's hard to explain. Quite hard to explain. Oh, I have it messed up in my head. I'm talking about the Express It All For You cover. I'm sorry. I listened to the Express It All For You cover and the Watermelon color a lot interchangeably. And whenever I do something interchangeably, my brain just fucks up its classification. It happens to a lot of things. I got a similar thing with chargers and headphones. Well, chargers and earbuds specifically. I just mix those up so much because I have them always right next to me. And in this case, I mixed it up because I always listen to those songs. They're very nice songs. Very nice covers of songs. I don't know the last time I've actually listened to the original Express It All For You. It's been a while since I listened to Heel Flip and all that. In fact, no, I was never trying to hide it. I talked about how I listened to Incel-core in the early days of this channel. The early days that only one of you can remember, because only one person watches these. Hopefully. Damn. Well, when Absidy was at the psych ward, I had this thought. I was going through TikTok, and I kept on stumbling upon this like little fucking animation meme thing of these soldiers going like, "We want peace, they want war, da 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 da." Well, the ending melody went something like that, and I really like the ending melody. I think that's a thing that I just like replay in my head. That little thing there that they say. But I was having the thought that Absidy would probably really like that thing, and she would repost it, and he would repost it. And it makes me think, like, what does it make me think? I guess it makes me think that he has good taste. Cause I like little animation, and also he likes little animations too. He's out there getting. Oh yeah, I talked on the other Chronicle about him making the Gacha Life thing. Do. Huh. Disneyland. I'm not gonna go to Disneyland. I was thinking of Disneyland for a second. In fact, I think I may have gone there. I'm not entirely sure. I remember one night in 2013, 2014, hell, maybe even 2012, I went to Disneyland, or Disney World, and I remember the sign, because it had Mickey on it. It was this sort of stone-like sign, this sign made of stone, and it had Mickey on it. And it was night. I looked upon it, and it was just so special, that sign. Seemed like no one else was around, but it's gotta be real. In fact, actually, I may have dreamed that, I'm not sure. Because the stones and stuff looked like the stones here that we have, yeah, in my neighborhood, probably the gate. It's the same stones that the gate is made out of. I'm googling to see if that is there. But I'm not sure. Not sure at all. Maybe it could be the Disneyland Resort sign. It's been so long that I'm not really sure. It was a road sign sort of thing. Well, it was off by the road, right next to it. That stone thing that had it on, had the Mickey on it. But yeah, maybe it was official. Probably was, because Disney would just tear it down. Rhapsody thinks that he's bad at guitar. That he's terrible and things such as that. But he's not. He's really good at guitar. And I want him to see that. And I guess his one excuse is that he's missing a string. And it's fucking bullshit, because if anything it shows that you play better. If you're able to play that well while you're still missing a chord, it's like fucking hell. Actually, you're probably missing multiple. I don't even know how it works. It's like I don't want him to think he's bad at that, because he's amazing at that. And he does the same thing for drawing too, even though he's absolutely amazing at drawing. It's the truth, you know? It's the absolute truth. Rhapsody is very good at drawing. Rhapsody's very good at a lot of things. Hmm. I feel this weird tingling sensation in my right foot. My left leg is putting pressure on it, and it's restricting blood flow. I like the tingles, but I should probably lift my left leg up a bit. Yeah. Well, it's a mystery. It's a mystery what I'm gonna do. I think I'll end this recording, because I want to be able to call him if I can. Maybe. Yeah. I love you. And goodbye to anyone just watching this. That wasn't for you. But, in fact, don't watch it. Don't let your kids watch it.